Hello everyone. This is part 16 of complete Hindi language series from basic to advanced, and today's topic is word formation with matra of I. So let us proceed. And you might be thinking like why I bring this slide again and again every day. Because I want to well establish all these letters with their matra or symbols in your memory so that you could easily recognize while reading Hindi words, okay? As this is very important to learn Hindi language or how to read Hindi words, okay? So let's quickly revise. Letter A creates no matra. Why? Because the sound of A is already inherited in every letters like K, K, G, G, Ane, Che, Che, Je, okay? You can feel the sound of A. It is already inherited in every letter, okay? And A creates this symbol. This symbol is known as Matra of A, and E creates this symbol. The name of this symbol is Choti E. E creates this symbol. This is Badi E, and this symbol creates, and this letter creates this symbol. And the name of this symbol is Matra of Chota U, and this letter creates this symbol. And the name of this symbol is Bada U. And this letter creates this symbol, and the name of this symbol is Re Ki Matra, and A creates this symbol, and the name of this symbol is Matra of A, and I creates this symbol. And this is our today's topic, okay? So let's back to our today's topic. Let's see this one. This is letter B, and after applying Matra of A, now it will be pronounced like ba, okay? Ba. This is letter ba, and apply matra of A. The matra of this letter is ye. After applying this matra to this letter, it became this one. And the pronunciation of this letter is ba, okay? Ba. The pronunciation of this letter is be, but when we apply this matra, now it will be pronounced like ba, okay? Ba. Similarly, this one. This is ka. Just apply matra of I. Now it became ka, okay? Ka. This is letter ha, and apply matra of I. Now it will pronounce like ha, okay? Ha. This is letter ka, and just apply matra of I. Now it will pronounce like ka, okay? I hope you have understood. Let's take this one. This is ba, and just apply matra of I. Now it will pronounce like ba, and just add this letter to this one. Now it became bal, okay? Bal, which means ox. And this one, this is ka, and this is mother of a, and this is ra, this is mother of a, and this is letter ta. Now it became ka, ra, o, ta, karat, okay? Karat, which means arms. This is ga, and mother of I. Now it became ga, and just add this letter yeah, and this mother of a. Now it became gaya, okay? Gaya. Okay, Gaya. This is letter ba, and this is mother I, and this is ra. Now it became bad. Okay, bad, which means enmity. This is ba, and this is mother of I, and this is ra. Now it became bad, bad, which means foot. This is ja, and this is mother of I, and this is sa, this is mother of a. Now it became jasa, jasa. Okay, this is ba, and this is mother of I. Now it became pa, and this is sa, this is mother of a. Now it became paisa. Okay, paisa, paisa. This is tha, this is mother of I, and this is la, this is mother of a. Now it became thela, which means bag. This is ma, and this is mother of I, and this is mother of, and this is la, this is mother of a. Now it became mela, mela. Okay, which means something dirty or murky. This is fa, and after applying mother of I, now it became fa, and just add this letter to this one. Now it became fash, and just add this letter to with this one. Now it became fashion, fashion, which means fashion in English. This is letter pa, and this is mother of I. Now it became pa. This is da, and this is la. Now it became pedal, pedal. Okay, which means on foot. This is ta, this is mother of I. Now it became ta. This is ra, this is na, this is mother of a. Now it became terna, which means swim. This is bha, and this is mother of I. Now it became bha, and this is ya, this is mother of a. Now it became bhaiya, which means brother. This is ga, and this is va, and this is mother of I, and this is ya, and this is mother of a. Now it became gaviya, one who sings song. Okay, this is ba, this is mother of a, and this is mother of I, and this is ta, and this is na, this is mother of a. Now it became bat now, which means to sit. This is letter ka, this is mother of I, and this is da. Now it became kad, kad. Okay, incarceration. Okay. This is ma and this is mother of I. Now it became ma. This is da. This is mother of a. Now it became Maidan. Maidan. This is letter ha and this is mother of I. Now it became ha. This is ra. Now it became had. Apply mother of a. Now it became hera. And just add this letter too. Now it became head on and head on. Head on. It means to surprised. It means surprise, okay? This is share and this is mother of I. Now it becomes share and this is ta. This is mother of a and this is na. Now it became shaitan, which means demon. This is ka and this is pa and this is ra and this is mother of I. Now it became kapra and just add this letter too. Now it became kapra la capral. Capral, okay, capral. This is sa and this is mother of I. Now it becomes sa and this is na and this is mother of choti e. Now it becomes sani and this is ka. Now it became sanic, okay, which means soldier. This is letter ma and this is mother of I. Now it became ma and this is na, this is mother of all. Now it became mana, okay, which is kind of bird, okay. This is that and this is mother of I and this is mother of choti e and this is letter na and this is ka. Now it became danik, which means day to day or daily. This is ra, this is ma and this is mother of a and this is sha. Now it became Ramesh. This is Ka and this is mother of I and this is Ya, this is mother of A. Now it became Gaya and this is La, this is mother of A. This is mother of Ya, this is mother of A. Now it became Laya. This is Ha, this is mother of I. Now it became Ha. And this is Ra, this is Ma and this is mother of A. And this is Sha. Now it became Ramesh and I'm assuming that you have already revised the previous videos as we have already learned about Matra of A, okay? This is mother of A. So this is where this is Na and this is mother of A. And this is Sha. Now it became Ramesh. This is Ka, this is mother of A. It became Ka. This is Ba, this is mother of I. This is Ya, this is mother of A. Now it became Bhaiya. This is Isa, is Ka, mother of A, Ka. दूध निकालता है न मतलब छोटी e के मतलब a le te मतलब ana it became निकालता है, गे मतलब आई, ये मतलब आ, now it becomes गैया, है, मैं मतलब आ, वे मतलब बड़ी ई, now it became हमारी, मैं मतलब आ, ते मतलब आ, now it became माता, है, खे, पे, रे मतलब आई, ले, it became cup, ran, के मतलब आ, now it became का, ने, के मतलब आ, ने मकान, गे मतलब आई, ये मतलब आ, now it became गैया, के मतलब ए, के, ले मतलब छोटी ई, it became ली, ये मतलब ए, now it became लिए, है, ई से इस, के मतलब आ, का, बे, छे, अड़ा मतलब आ, बछड़ा, बे मतलब है, ले बैल, बैने बन, करे कर, के मतलब ए, ते ए खेती, करे त्या करता है, मैंने, दे मतलब ए, and मतलब can दैनिक. And you can skip this one because we haven't learned about matra of this one. Okay, so skip for now. And this is this is मैं matra of all. This is चे and matra of all. समाचार. पे. This is पे. Now it became पत्र. पे. वह. This is matra of all. Now it became पढ़ा. Now I'll read complete passage in a one go. Okay. रमेश गैया लाया है, रमेश का भैया इसका दूध निकालता है, गैया हमारी माता है, खपरैल का मकान गैया के लिए है, इसका बछड़ा बैल बन कर खेती करता है, मैंने दैनिक समाचार पत्र पढ़ा. So this was the end of the session. I hope you have understood everything, whatever I have told you in this video. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.